Hello, Wellness Warriors. Welcome back to the Sweet Minds Wellness channel. If you've ever struggled with bloating, inflammation, or just feeling off in your gut, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my secret weapon, a simple, powerful morning drink that has completely transformed my gut health and helped me achieve a flatter stomach. Many people experience bloating and discomfort. A simple morning drink can help. This drink is easy to make and can support your gut health. This drink is not a magic cure, but it can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Try it out and see the difference. You deserve to feel your best every day. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of some natural ingredients that are not only delicious, but also fantastic for your gut health. What's in this amazing drink? This simple yet powerful concoction includes warm water, lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. Each ingredient is packed with goodness. They work together to create a drink that can boost your digestion and overall well-being. Warm water wakes up your system gently. It helps to kickstart your metabolism and prepares your digestive tract for the day ahead. It's a great way to start the day. Drinking warm water in the morning can also help to flush out toxins from your body. Lemon is a natural detoxifier. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to cleanse your body and boost your immune system. It helps cleanse your body. The citric acid in lemon juice also aids in digestion and helps to balance the pH levels in your stomach. Lemon also adds a refreshing taste. It's a simple way to make your water more enjoyable while reaping the health benefits. Ginger is known to soothe the stomach. This powerful root has anti-inflammatory properties and can help with nausea and indigestion. It can help reduce bloating and discomfort. Adding ginger to your drink can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Ginger is a powerful root. Its benefits go beyond just aiding digestion. It can also boost your immune system and improve circulation. Apple cider vinegar is great for gut health. It contains acetic acid, which can help to improve digestion and balance blood sugar levels. It supports good bacteria in your gut. This helps to maintain a healthy digestive system and can even aid in weight loss. Choose the raw, unfiltered kind. This ensures you get the maximum benefits, including the mother, which contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics. Making this drink is super easy. It's a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and wellness. You'll need just a few minutes. This quick routine can fit into even the busiest of mornings. Start with a glass of warm water. The warmth helps to wake up your digestive system gently. Don't make it too hot. Lukewarm is perfect to avoid shocking your system. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. You can add more if you like. Adjust to your taste preference. Grate a small piece of ginger. Ginger adds a spicy kick and has anti-inflammatory properties. About a teaspoon is perfect. Too much can be overpowering. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps with digestion and balances your body's pH levels. Remember, raw and unfiltered is best. It contains the mother, which is rich in beneficial bacteria. Stir it all up and enjoy. This drink is not only refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. You can have this drink every morning. It's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. I've felt the positive effects of this drink. It's helped my digestion. Not only does it aid in breaking down food more efficiently, but it also reduces bloating and discomfort. I can genuinely feel the difference in my daily routine. I feel lighter and more energized. This newfound energy allows me to engage in activities I love, like hiking and playing sports. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel after consuming different foods and drinks. Your body gives you signals, and it's crucial to heed them. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition. This drink is meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, incorporated into a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's not a magic solution, but a part of a holistic approach to well-being. Enjoy the journey to a happier, healthier you. Embrace the small changes and celebrate your progress. Every step you take towards better health is a victory. This information is for educational purposes only. Always seek professional guidance when making health-related decisions. It is not intended as medical advice. The content shared here is based on personal experiences and general knowledge. Consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes, especially if you have any medical conditions. They can help you make informed choices that are best for your unique needs. If you try this drink, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. I'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.